Hey gods and goddesses, today we're making something electric and absolutely delicious. We are making electric smoothie bowls. Yes, that's right. You can make Dr. Sebi Approved smoothie bowls. So, the main ingredient is these lovely baby bananas. These are absolutely amazing and they help make our smoothie nice and creamy. So the trick to get this nice creamy bowl is freezing your lovely baby bananas. I am going to use 4 frozen mini bananas. I'm also going to use some frozen berries. Using frozen fruits really help make a nice thick bowl as well. So if you don't want to use the Trader Joe's brand, just freeze your fresh fruits and that will be a great substitute for this. So I'm going to put in a cup of my frozen berries. Good, this is perfect. And I'm also going to input a tablespoon of agave. You can use date syrup as a great substitute. Hemp seed milk. The link in the description box will show you guys how to make your hemp milk. So I'm gonna put 4 teaspoons. Hemp milk, I have my berries. I'm also going to blend this. You can also add some lovely tahini. Tahini makes it nice and creamy, give it that nice nutty flavor, and also adds more protein to your smoothie. I'm gonna input half a teaspoon of lovely tahini butter. Put that goodness inside. And I'm also going to add some lovely goji berries. Goji berries are one of the super fruits that is added to Dr. Sebi's nutritional guide. So I'm going to throw all that goodness. I'm going to add a nice small slice of ginger. Ginger really enhances the flavor of your smoothie bowl. So I'm going to throw that in there, and then I'm going to blend all of this goodness up. So my lovely smoothie is finished blending, so I'm going to pour this. Look at how creamy and just amazing that is. And now it is time for my favorite part, adding the toppings. You can use whatever toppings you like, but of course I'm going to add some lovely berries. So I'm going to use some raspberries. I'm going to put that on the side. You're just going to make this pretty because most people eat with their eyes. Some blueberries. Right, so I'm also going to add some lovely goji berries for some extra crunch to our bowl.
Goji berries are great for controlling diabetes, reducing high cholesterol, and even slowing down the growth of cancer cells.
My favorite of all times, I'm going to add some cooking shreds to this goodness. So this is what the final product will look like. This bowl, it takes literally 5 minutes to make, and it's super nutritious and absolutely delicious. This is great for those mornings when you're on the go and you don't have time to make a very extravagant breakfast. This is also a great for Valentine's Day to surprise your special someone with. And they will think it takes a long time, but it literally took me 5 minutes. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Peace.